What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It has literally been so long since I've sat down in front of like my actual camera and filmed a video, like just sitting and like doing something or talking instead of just like taking my phone and vlogging my day or like vlogging something. So yeah, this is a change. So as you guys know, like from other videos or like maybe like my Instagram or something, my hair is really long. It ends like just past my butt. I usually keep it straight because curling it takes 500 years. My hair comes out like cute, but then it ends up like sticking all together into like one curl, if you know what I mean. Sometimes I braid it so that it comes out like kind of like crimpy, but I want to try something new. There's this thing, straw curls. You guys have probably heard of it. So it's basically just like wrapping your hair around like a bunch of straws and like tying it up, and then you sleep on it overnight and your hair comes out like super curly. So I'm gonna try that today. I'm not sure if it's gonna work because of the fact that my hair is so long. Yeah, that's basically what I'm doing. So let's get started. Oh my god, that was literally so awkward. Okay, so right now I have my natural hair. Nothing has been done to it. I washed it this morning. I combed it out while it was damp and it dried like this. So it's like my hair naturally is like relatively straight, like a little frizzy and kind of wavy, like not even wavy, it's just like I don't even know. So this is my hair. So basically what you're gonna need is, I have my hairbrush with me. I'm probably just gonna comb out my hair before I begin. I have these little rubber bands, these black ones, the little ones. And then, okay, so I have like straws. I have the plastic straws, but like this is, I only have 9. So I also have paper straws here for one of the plastic straws right now because, you know, save the turtles. And also water. Like you need water in a spray bottle, and my ass does not have a spray bottle, so I literally just have water in a cup. I literally contemplated like emptying out a Windex bottle and like putting water in there, but then I was like, okay, you know what? We'll just get a glass. That's okay. This is gonna be such a lengthy process. Like literally, my hair is so long. So I'm just gonna take a section of my hair, put it into a little bun. Just gonna take some water. So what you're supposed to do is take a little piece of hair, took this much, and I don't know where to put all this hair. Maybe I'll like kind of like flip it. Yeah, that worked. I'm gonna grab my straw. You start your hair at the bendy part. We're going to start twisting it. Yeah, so we're gonna start over there. I'm just gonna wrap my hair around the straw. Oh my god. This is really hard. This is harder than I thought it would be. Oh my god, it's working. Okay, we're twisting it. So now that we've gotten to the end, get my rubbers, and you like bend the straw over, and then you just tie it at the end. Yeah, but like that. And then because it's like unraveling, I'm gonna roll it back up to the top, bend over that part of the straw, and then we're gonna close it up. It's gonna break, it's gonna break, it's gonna break, it's gonna break. No, it did not break. Wow, curl number 1. And that took me a nice 5 minutes, so let's do the rest of my head top and see how long this takes me. We're gonna dampen it with the water, grab a straw, got another yellow one, and start rolling at the bend. So we're gonna close it at the end. Fuck, my sister's calling me. Yo! What are you saying?
What are you saying?
I'm recording a video.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Look at that! I did it! I did it! I have school tomorrow, so like when I open the straws, like I'm gonna have to go to school with however the fuck this comes out. Honestly, this is a lot harder than I imagined it to be. Like, I already imagined it to be pretty hard, especially with my hair, but like, this This is so annoying. My fucking arm hurts. I can't even breathe at this point, and it's been like 2 curls. Oh, 3 done. You're kidding. I really hope the lighting doesn't change too much. It does change. That's because of the sunset. I record in front of my window, so apologizing in advance. It came apart. Stop. Ooh. Like, if you have really long hair, I'm gonna tell you in advance, like, the straw is gonna run out because my straw barely has any space for me to even like fold it over and tie it up. No, bitch, no. Oh my god, I think the straw snapped. Yeah, the straw snapped inside this. I'm still tie it. Okay, yo, I thought my hair was long. I did not think it was this long. Like, at least I thought that my hair would like fit in the straw, but the straw's like breaking and shit. Oh my god, guys, I'm actually making progress. Okay, so I'm halfway done. This is how it's looking. As I do more curls, it's getting like easier for me to do it. As I said, the sun is setting, so it's getting darker. I have my light here. My camera also died in the middle, so the angle might have changed. Okay guys, so here is my completed hair with all the straws in it. I apologize for the lighting right now. Like, the sun is completely gone. It is now nighttime, and like this lighting is just not going in right now.
Yeah, she looks awesome, but kind of weird at the same time. Folks, don't go out like this in high school. You're gonna get embarrassed.
I'm gonna take it out before I go to school. By the way, guys, this is Angelina.
Hello, guys! Please subscribe to my channel as well. Angelina's Way.
Yeah, I'll link that down in the description. She's actually the one who inspired me, fun fact, to make a channel, because I was like, if Angie can do it, why can't I? This was really annoying to do. I'm not sure how long it took me. I think around an hour and a half or like 2 hours, sometime like that. And like the paper straws were like ripping. That's probably why people use plastic straws for this and not the paper ones, because they're ripping in the middle of the head. I will sleep on this.
But some of your hair's
and I will see you guys in the morning. Good morning, guys. So now that it has been 12 hours, I'm gonna take these out. So 2 of them came out in my sleep, like this one and another one, but then like I put it back up. I'm gonna completely take them out now. I'm really excited to see the results, but like I'm kind of scared that like they won't come out right, or like how they're supposed to. Oh my god, it's so curly. See, my brother has hair like this, but like none of my other siblings do. So this is like, whoa. Oh my god. Holy shit. My hair's so short. Oh my god, it's like right here, and my hair is usually past my butt. Okay, I'm getting really excited. I'm trying to like open them faster now. Okay, so, oh my god. I have opened the one side of my head, and I separated the first curl. Now I'm starting to like separate my other curls and also kind of take out the rubber bands from in my hair, because there's some rubber bands still stuck in there. Oh my god. This has been successful. Like, because of the fact that my hair is so heavy, I didn't expect it to like hold, or like, I don't know, I just didn't expect it to come out. Okay, so I opened all my curls. I tried to separate them as well as possible. Wow, it actually came out. I'm so surprised. Like, my hair, wow, like I've never, what? I can't even talk right now. Okay, so first of all, my hair is so short. This is the weirdest feeling ever. Second of all, you can like see like this part of my head is like straight, and then this part of it's curly. So honestly, I'm probably gonna throw it up in like a bun or like some sort of ponytail. But oh my god, my hair is so like fluffy and it feels so nice. It actually worked. I did not think it would work. This is it from like the back. Yeah, like you can see like my roots are straight, and then like the rest of it's curled. But yeah, I'm gonna go and try to put this up or like do something with it so that it looks a little more like natural. I don't know how to do a bun, like, cause when I do my regular buns, like my hair is so long and I don't have enough time. I have 5 minutes until my bus comes, so I just threw on a hat to just like cover the back and like the top. But yeah, this is how my hair came out. This thing, the straw curls thing, was successful, so I'm pretty happy about that. I think maybe I would do this again. I'm not sure. Maybe like once like every few months or something, just because of the fact that like it takes so long to do and like it's so hard to like maintain. But I really do like this. It's something different. It looks so beautiful. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up. You can leave a comment below, and also make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So that's it for today. Yeah. I'm so bad at outros, but bye guys.